Sam Di Mauro is my name, and I lecture over at Griffith University, Queensland College of Art, in the area of design. Back in the middle of 2008, the Q150 team approached our director at Queensland College of Art and asked if there would be someone that they would recommend to be involved in curating this project. And the director, understanding his staff as he does, I suppose, he recommended that he approached me to see if I would be interested in being involved, because my artwork is primarily about community and community engagement. In this instance here, the work had been done by an artist. The artist was asked back in about 2006 as part of a team to come up with an idea, and the artist very cleverly came up with an idea of producing 2 tiles which would tessellate, and 2 tiles would go to each of the shires in Queensland, and the shires would on those tiles reflect about their past and reflect about their future. The curatorial team was myself, a couple of students, Tamara Rosman and Michelle Walker, and a lady by the name of Margaret Rackerman. It was our responsibility to be able to compile a set of guidelines that were about practical issues, such as whatever you do on this tile, you can't make the weight exceed a certain amount of weight, for obvious reasons of hanging and creating that sense of the work being suspended. We also place restrictions on the height of additional elements that may be applied to the piece of artwork because of packaging and transportation purposes. We wanted the artworks to be durable, so that had to be also considered. So they were the limitations. We also made some suggestions for layout in terms of grid, because one of the problems with an artwork of this size, using a module that is a 3-sided figure, it doesn't equate to keep that module always in the horizontal. We can't say to everybody, yes, you can put whatever you like on there, because we will locate it in such a way that it will be legible. So our suggestion was that you use some sort of grid that can allow that tile to be turned in any configuration so that it's legible. So as you go through these artworks, you will notice that some people have taken that on board, while others have worked in such an abstract way that it didn't matter which way it was inclined. So we needed a rather large space to assemble this work, and a space that we wouldn't have to pack it away every night for obvious reasons. So the RNA generously gave us this site to use, and from here the artwork will now go over to the Woolworths Fresh Food Pavilion in the RNA Showgrounds. Obviously, to pull something like this together takes a lot of people and a lot of dedication, and we couldn't have done what we did without the support that came from the administrators in Q150, and they've worked incredibly diligently to try and make sure that everything was in place and everything was working well. So it's a huge team, a huge effort, and the people in the community, of course, are the ones that we have to congratulate because of the work that they've done.